So the reason you are feeling the way you are feeling right now is to do with the raising of your own consciousness. For the more you become consciously aware of your surroundings and more consciously aware of what you wish to see in your surroundings, there will be the natural transition from one to the other. And this can never be comfortable, for it's going to make you feel a bit weird. It's going to make you feel a bit uneasy. It's going to make you feel a bit unsteady. It's going to make you feel a bit unsure. It's going to make you feel a bit uncertain. It's going to make you feel a bit undecided. It's going to do all these things as you naturally progress and phase into the reality that you see, that you wish to experience. So the discomfort that you are experiencing, the confusion that you're experiencing, is merely coming from the state of mind from where you once were into where you wish to see yourself expanding into. And as you expand into that open space of the reality you wish to see, there must indeed come the transitionary aspects, the transitionary period for you to experience that which you desire the most. No one said it was going to be pretty, but it will be pretty as you move into it. So mixed within that feeling of uncertainty, because you are moving out of one thing into the next, the thing that you're in does not wish you to move to the next, and so therefore it will create all the resistance necessary in order to keep you grounded. This is what makes you feel disconnected. This is what makes you feel alone, because it's not on the vibratory trajectory that you wish to experience. And so you feel like something is missing, you feel like you're being held back or even being pulled back. And this is because of the more denser aspect of reality that you are experiencing now wishes to keep you here. It cannot function without you. And so therefore it wants to take as many with them as possible. Your job is to keep yourself focused on the unfolding and the expanding into that which you desire the most, the world that you wish to live in. And if you keep your mind focused on that, everything that tries to hold you back, everything that tries to pull you back, not that you won't experience it, not that you won't feel it, but the feeling will not have the desired outcome which that energy is currently trying to achieve from you. And that is a lower, more dense energy. The more you focus on the life you wish to live, the world that you wish to move into and expand into and experience, the less and less that lower density energy has a hold on you. And so therefore you come to the level of awareness that is needed in order to take you to the next step. And that level of awareness is choice. It's not trying to ignore what's going on and what you're being pulled or held onto and into, but more so understanding that that is exactly what's going on, and that you, in the moment of now, still have a choice. What do you choose?